Welcome to this tutorial on how to automate Monday.com subitems. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage and automate their workflows. Automating subitems can help streamline your workflow, reduce manual labor, and increase productivity. To get started, you need to have a Monday.com account and a board with subitems set up. A subitem is a smaller task or action item that is part of a larger item. For example, if you have a project to launch a new website, the main item might be Launch Website, and the subitems might be Design Website, Develop Website, and Test Website. To automate subitems, you will use Monday.com's automation feature, which is called Automate. This feature allows you to create custom automation recipes that can perform a wide range of actions, such as moving items, assigning tasks, and sending notifications. The first step in automating subitems is to create a new automation recipe. To do this, go to your board and click on the Automate button. Then, click on Create a New Recipe. This will open up the Automation Recipe Builder, where you can define the trigger, condition, and action for your automation. The trigger is the event that will cause the automation to run. For example, you might want the automation to run when a new subitem is added to an item, or when a subitem is moved to a certain status. The condition is the criteria that must be met in order for the automation to run. For example, you might want the automation to only run if the subitem is assigned to a certain person, or if it has a certain tag. The action is the task that the automation will perform when it runs. For example, let's say you want to automate the process of assigning a subitem to a team member when it is moved to the in progress status. To do this, you would set the trigger to when a subitem is moved to a status, and the condition to when the status is in progress. The action would be to assign the subitem to a team member. Once you have defined your automation recipe, you can test it to make sure it is working correctly. You can also edit or delete the recipe at any time if you need to make changes. Best practices for automating subitems include keeping your automations simple and focused on a specific task, testing your automations thoroughly to make sure they are working correctly, and using clear and descriptive names for your automations so that they are easy to understand. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Monday.com's automation feature to streamline your workflow, reduce manual labor, and increase productivity. Automating subitems can help you get more out of your Monday.com account and achieve your goals more efficiently.